Hey guys, welcome back. It's the next day and we are gonna plant onions. So potentially 1.5 to 2 beds just for onions slash shallots slash leeks. Most of the onions that I have are Texas early granos. And I've got 2 trays that have a roughly 36 each. And then I've got another tray that's just kind of a Mod Podge of things that didn't germinate very well. Got red burgundy. I have 1 yellow Granix. I think the seed packet I had was old or something. I don't know. I did like, I think 70 and I got 1 to germinate. We are going to fit about 98 onions in 1 bed. The spacing is going to be 5 inches. So I'm hoping to get 7 rows and 14 onions, if that makes sense. So about 98, if I'm mathing right. Okay, I've kind of made indentions where I think the rows are gonna go. My husband made me this seed dropper. And each little peg is 1 inch apart. So I'm gonna use it for my onion spacing. We're gonna go 5 inches apart. So I'll plant 1. I'm gonna go about 3 inches away from the edges of the bed. That'll be plenty for the onions, because we're gonna stagger them. So I'll plant a few, show you up close. Okay, so I did soil blocks. They look like this. And I wanna make sure that this soil level is the same as this soil level. Just gonna tuck it in just like that. That's it. So now we're gonna go 2, 4, the next one's gonna go right here. Just like that. 5, the next one goes here. On the next row, we're gonna split the difference. And we're gonna put 1. I think I'm gonna put the shallots right here on this very last row. I only have 8 of them and they shouldn't need that much space. Don't bulb like these guys. The shallots are a experiment anyway because they're long day and we are not long day here. They are in all their glory. Okay, so I'm gonna water the beds and we might see about planting some of the onion sets. I just realized my dog is laying on the tray of leeks. Hold on. Okay, I just realized the camera wasn't on when I watered, but the bed is watered. The only thing onion related that I have left to plant is leeks, and I'll probably just plant them in the bed right next to the onions. They won't take up very much space. Just wanted to say thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.